Hey guys, welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. Today's video is going to be very different and amazing. I'm pretty much sure all of us have heard about Maharashtra's and Maharashtrians' favorite dish called misal pav. But today we are not just going to have misal pav, we are going to have Thorat's barbecue misal at 7 Bungalows. Here we are going to make our own unlimited misal. The word barbecue would give you many assumptions and presumptions, but let's not allow your brain to work too much. चला रेस्टॉरंट मध्ये जाऊया आणि मिसळ खाऊया. Now the concept of Thorat's barbecue misal is very clear. I have shown you why is it called Thorat's barbecue misal, because they put charcoal under your misal. We don't know how it tastes because I've never had barbecue misal. I always enjoy spicy misal but never barbecue misal. So first thing, let's get an introduction to all the type of curries that we have over here. So this is called Kolhapuri spicy rasa. This is Puneri khatta meetha rasa. This is Nasik kala rasa, and this one is without onion and garlic. This place has many outlets. So these outlets are in Pune, Kolhapur, Nasik and Mumbai. And in Mumbai this is the first outlet, and in Pune I think there are 22, 23. I'm not sure about that. That's what I have been told. So accordingly I'm informing you guys. So if you guys are living anywhere nearby, then you can just go ahead and eat your barbecue misal. Now let's go ahead and make our own misal. मतलब इधर आए हैं तो खुद का मिसल तो बनाना ही है. One good thing about this place is that you get unlimited misal at 120 rupees, and that's quite huge. Okay, बहुत सारा, बहुत सस्ता है, और किसी को अगर बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है then they can just come here and eat as much as they like. So let's go ahead and make my own misal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this misal which is Kolhapuri spicy, because मुझे spicy खाना पसंद है. मिसल नहीं, सॉरी, ये तो रस्सा है. My first intuition is to pour good amount of curry. Now here we have different kinds of things. This is probably chas. Whenever you feel that it's too spicy, you can just add. This is aloo ka sabzi, and then some poha, moong and onions and lemon with coriander. So what we are going to do, I don't want to add potato sabzi in my misal. I just want to taste it. अच्छी है. If somebody wants to or likes to add potato ka sabzi in their misal, then they can just go ahead. Here I'm gonna add some sprouts. मूंग डालेंगे क्योंकि मूंग के बिना तो होता ही नहीं है ना. पोहा, I think I feel like actually my misal is very basic. मुझे ना मिसळ में म्हणजे मला मिसळमध्ये बाकीच्या गोष्टी आवडत नाही. लाईक आय डोंट लाईक टू ईट पोहा और potatoes or something like that. So I'm gonna add some lemon and some onions. Now their pav that you get here is the grilled one. Let's have this amazing misal. Barbecue का उतना टेस्ट नहीं है, और यू कैन से दैट चारकोल डिड नॉट गिव दैट level of taste that they claim, but so spicy. Oh my god. It's good, huh? No wonder they are running so many successful outlets. The spiciness is coming from green chilies and Kolhapuri masala. Yum. Wow. I think I'm gonna add more of this rasa. I'm thinking that I should try all of them because you guys should also have a fair idea if you are not the kind of person who likes to eat spicy food. So I'm just gonna have this last bite because it's spicy and tasty. मतलब जैसी कोल्हापुरी मिसल होती है वैसी ही है. Yum. So let's keep this aside. Okay, one thing is that it's little salty, so you might have to balance out the salt in this curry by adding certain other things. Other than that, it's very spicy, and as you can see that I'm already sweating, so I might just have one. Too good. Now let's try the rest of them. So what I'll do is I'll ask them to give me those small bowls. Otherwise, because this is too much, I cannot finish it. Even if it is at 120 rupees, मेरा उतना appetite नहीं है कि मैं इतना सारा खा सकूँ. So what I'm going to do is ask for little farsan because farsan के बिना तो मिसल बनती नहीं है. So these are the small bowls that I have. So let's try one by one. Kolhapuri misal we have already tried and it was very tasty. Now let's go ahead and try this पुनेरी मिसल. पुनेरी मिसल मतलब हम लोग अभी बनाएंगे पुनेरी मिसल. पुनेरी रस्सा तो ले लेते हैं. So this rassa they said is khata meeta. I've taken very small bowls because I should be able to finish it. That's the whole concept, right? So here we go. Okay, you can taste little bit of sourness and sweetness, but nothing is overpowering. It's not that spicy, it is moderately spicy. But if I have to choose, I would definitely go for Kolhapuri misal, then Puneri misal. Also here we have some poha. I don't want to add poha in my misal, so I'm just going to try like this. अच्छा है यार पोहा भी. थोड़ा ऐड करके देख ही लेती हूँ. Very nice. When you add poha to this now, it's giving a nice taste. Now let's keep this aside and try this kala rasa. It's not spicy at all. It has some kind of tangy flavor, or you can say taste. I don't think so. I would prefer this. I would either go for Kolhapuri or Puneri. Now let's try the last one, that is without onion and garlic. कांदा आणि लसूण शिवाय कसं मिसळ बनवू शकतं, कसं? But ठीक है, let's try it. Okay, I'm not gonna put onion and garlic because that was the whole point, right? So we are just gonna add some moong. This fourth misal, which is without onion and garlic, cannot be termed as misal because it has no taste, guys. मतलब इसमें कुछ भी taste नहीं है. I don't think so I can ever have this misal which has no onion and garlic. It has no taste. So now let me enjoy my delicious Kolhapuri misal which I had kept it aside. Do watch this vlog till end because after this I'm gonna take you guys to a ice cream parlor called Ice Cream Factory. So do watch it. Now let me enjoy my delicious Kolhapuri misal. After eating some Kolhapuri misal which was very spicy, I think we do need a ice cream. And in ice cream there were many parlors. We all know that there are so many parlors around. So I decided to come Ice Cream Factory and Shahi Darbar, which has tremendous and different types of ice cream to eat. They also have a section called Alice in Gelato Land. There are different kinds of shakes, ice creams, fresh cream, kulfis, faluda, gelatos, so many things to eat. It's like actually an ice cream factory. So let's go inside and enjoy some delicious ice cream. Let's go! So this is my ice cream. It looks so pretty. It's all chocolatey with chocolate sauce and white chocolate. Oh my god, it's all falling off. So this is also, I think, chocolate chips. So here we have chocolate chips, white chocolate, chocolate syrup, and then syringe. I think this is just to charge my ice cream. It's just for fun. Actually, there is some chocolate in it. So it's all melting, and I tried chocolate ice cream and then gelato. I felt gelato was way more better. But look at the quantity, guys. It's so much. But let me tell you, it's a little expensive also, huh? Like it's somewhere around 250. I don't know. I haven't paid yet, but I think it's somewhere around that. This is just like the name says, Alice in Gelato Land. My god, it's like a heaven. So many types of ice creams, so many types of gelatos. Do try it. It's amazing. Whoa, isn't it cool, guys? It's so cool. Again, you get the syringe. These are wafer biscuits. So basically there are two more types. You get Oreo biscuits, and other one was Dragon Balls. Those are like fruity balls. I opted for wafers because I think I would prefer wafers over Dragon Balls or Oreo depends on my mood. अगर मुझे Oreo खाने का मन किया तो मैं खाती हूँ. Otherwise, I think wafers are the best choice or options for me. So let's go ahead and have one of these. Cool. Oh, it's so cool. Ow, it's, oh my god, it's chilly. I cannot really touch it. I don't know about the taste. Like taste is okay, just like normal wafers, but when you put it in the mouth and you're not able to talk, it's fun. It's just fun. Alright, it's time to rate my experience on my festive meter. So both the places I'm not gonna rate on the basis of ambience, staff, all those things, because mostly we are focusing today on food, like how was the food. So let's first talk about Thorat's Barbecue Missile. Thorat's Barbecue Missile is a very good place. Now the missile is for 120 rupees. In 120 rupees you get unlimited missile. You can call for unlimited things, whatever you like. So you can say that it's very cheap or it's very affordable. And technically, actually they say barbecue missile, but when they put charcoal, it somewhere goes into your nose because they put oil on the charcoal, and it's very disturbing. If you're calling for home delivery, you won't get unlimited missile. You will get missile, like one of the missile. You can either call for Kolhapuri or Nasik or whatever, like whichever kind you want. Now let's talk about ice cream factory. Oh my god, it's like it's seriously, guys, a wonderland. It's like there are so many gelatos. Basically, I have told earlier, there are many varieties. The quality of gelato, again I'm saying it, is very good. I like the quantity also. So I think both the places were superb, and I'm gonna rate my experience 8 out of 10 on my festive meter. These ratings are based only for the food that I enjoyed and the prices. I'm reducing some of the points because the ice cream was little expensive. So I guess my experience was good. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna end my vlog over here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do tell your friends, family. And if you visit any of my recommendation, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. So guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye. Like one is in Pune, other one is आपका पुणे, कोल्हापुर और नासिक तीनों जगह है ना, है ना? 4 ही आउटलेट है ना, पुणे, नासिक, कोल्हापुर और मुंबई।
मुंबई नीचे है, मतलब ये हर जगह नहीं है, पुणे में है, केसरपुर में और इधर पहला ब्रांच मुंबई का है, पुणे में 22-21।
हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन पुणे, कोल्हापुर, नासिक और मुंबई में है ना। ओह माय गॉड, इट जस्ट फेल ऑफ। ओके